Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and now in this video we are going to do TCS NQT second slot analysis, and the timing of exam was 1 to 4 p.m. So what will be our agenda, friends? So we will be discussing the syllabus, like which all topics came into the examination and which all topics you have to focus more. What was the difficulty level? Okay, so was the question moderate level or the difficult level or the simple level question? And then we will be also discussing some questions from aptitude and reasoning. Okay, and friends, one more important thing which I wanted to tell you. So many of the students really struggled and they were not able to complete the examination. So friends, TCS has sent, in case you were not able to complete the exam or lost time due to interruptions, be rest assured that you will be provided another attempt for NQT. Next attempt date and time will be set by 5th of October, end of the day. And friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you before we start. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because I don't want to miss you any update, any videos for whatever exams, the slots of videos we are doing. Friends, the first thing was aptitude. So from aptitude, so friends, the syllabus is not changed. Okay, same kind of syllabus whatever we have already told you, and the same thing has come in the examination as well. So friends, data interpretation, you know, all the examination now questions are getting asked. And friends, statistics, so day before yesterday only I had done one video and many questions has been asked directly from that video. Time and work, which is an important topic, mensuration, number system, and time, speed and distance, ratio and proportion, linear equation. Friends, you can also say this is part of simplification. So many questions were there from the simplification, friends. So simplification, at least 3 to 4 questions you will be getting in the examination, and that will be very easy. Okay, then simple interest and compound interest questions were there, percentage, profit and loss, and average. So these were the topic, and these are the important topic that I am telling from the beginning. Then reasoning ability, friends, reasoning. Okay, so one more thing, friends, if we talk about the difficulty level, then the difficulty level of numerical ability was easy to moderate. It was not difficult. Okay, so if your preparation is good, that means it was easy to moderate, it was not difficult at all. Okay, then friends, reasoning ability, so we had data arrangements, coding, decoding, cuts and unfolds, Venn diagram, blood relations, data sufficiency, figure based problems, syllogism, statement and assumption. So these are the topic, friends. Same thing Infosys, like how Infosys exam was there, so your TCS exam is also on the same topics and the patterns. Okay, even though the level of the TCS examination was not very good as compared to TCS, as compared to Infosys. And friends, reasoning, if we'll talk about the difficulty level, then it was very easy. So reasoning problem were very easy. Even you might have aware, or you might have already felt that, right? Okay, and friends, verbal ability, so we had reading comprehension, sentence correction, that is also you can say error identification. Okay, so error identification, and then we have sentence completion and fill in the blanks. So English, these 4 topics were there. So there was no question from synonyms, antonyms. So there are few topics where we did not find the questions in the examination. And friends, programming MCQs, so we had question from operator, loops, control statement, array, strings, functions, oops. Okay, and then standard template libraries, object modeling, compiler design, threading, data structure, linked list. So you can see basic software SDLC, which we have already done the videos, and even it was there in the test series. Algorithm, pseudocode, recursion, graphs, collections. Okay, now friends, some analysis from the first and the second slot. See, the exam was conducted on TCS ION platform, and that is the reason you can see you are also getting a message from AD ION desk, right? Okay, and friends, there was no negative marking, as we had already communicated to you. So even there was a video also, so yesterday we had made, so we had already told there will be no negative marking, right? Okay, and friends, it was non-adaptive test. That means it was not like easy and then difficult problems. So sometimes it was easy, difficult, easy. So like this, it was So difficult means moderate. So it was non-adaptive test. And friends, every slots, like in one slot, so whatever whoever is giving the examination, they had the same question, only the options were different. Okay, options were different in the sense, for you option A is 14, then for somebody else option C was 14, somebody else option D was 14. So basically you can say question was same but the set were different. Slot 1 and slot 2 questions were of similar type, so not much difference we found, friends. But yes, so slot 1 question was little easier and slot 2 questions were little you can say moderate or tougher. Friends, fill up the blanks were there in the programming question. So some 2-3 questions were there which had fill up the blanks. And most of the questions, friends, were there from our free videos and paid materials. So this even you can comment, friends. So you can see already we are solving so many sets, and even you would have also realized, right? Okay. And friends, calculator. So calculator was allowed. So as we had told you 100 times that yes, calculator will be allowed, and on a screen calculator we had shown you, right? Okay. Now friends, so let us start with some of the questions which was asked in the second slot. So what is the fourth proportional of 0.006, 1.2 and 6 divided by 25? This is a very simple question. So in our ratio and proportion video we have already done. Okay, so fourth proportional, friends. So suppose x is the fourth proportional, right? Suppose x is the fourth proportional. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply these two corner and then you have to multiply these two values. Okay, and then you have to equate. Friends, a b fourth proportional will be nothing but something like that, which we have already explained. So multiply these two corner and multiply these two middle value and then equate. So 0.006 okay into x will be equal to 1.2 into 6 divided by 25. Now if I'll remove the decimal, after decimal I have 3 digit. So 6 divided by 1000 into x. 12 divided by 10, because after decimal 1 digit, so 10 will come in the denominator. After decimal 3 digit, so 30 will come in the denominator. And then 6 by 25. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 10 will get cancelled. 25 4 times. So x will be equal to 12 into 4, which is nothing but 48. So 48, that means option B will become the correct answer. Do not do any kind of mistake like 4.8 and all. Now friends, question number 2. So question number 2 is a problem from pipe and cisterns. And friends, already we have solved multiple problems on time and work and pipe and cisterns, and we will be using the LCM technique to solve this difficult problem. Okay, so LCM technique or Mountain Dew concept. So let us see. A city water supply tank has two inlet pipes X and Y, which can fill it in 20 hours and 30 hours respectively. So basically friends, so X and Y is doing the positive work, filling the tank, and an outlet pipe Z which can empty a full tank in 40 hours. Okay, so there is one outlet pipe is there, so that is nothing but Z, right? Okay, and Z can remove the water from the tank in 40 hours. So Z will be doing the negative work. Now so LCM technique or Mountain Dew, we have to take the LCM, or we need to assume a number which is divisible by 20, 30 and 40. So that will become nothing but 120, right? Okay, so 120 liter. So either you take LCM or you assume a number, no problem. 120 by 20 will be 6, 120 by 30 will be 4, 120 by 40 will be 3. This is efficiency. So X can fill 6 liter in an hour, Y can fill 4 liter in an hour, and Z can remove 3 liter in an hour. So friends, if I will write here, X is doing a positive work, Y positive work, and Z negative work. So in 1 hour, X will fill 6, Y will fill 4, and Z will remove 3 liter. So basically what they will do, 10 minus 3, 7 liter. So in 3 hours, they will be able to fill 7 liter only, because Z will be removing 3 liter. So I can write here, in 3 hours, the pipes are able to fill 7 liter. Okay, now so I will get a closer value. So what I will do, I will multiply by 16. Okay, so 3 3 3 3 like that. Okay, so 16 combinations. So basically in 48 hours they will be able to fill 112 liter, right? So in 48 hours they will be able to fill 112 liters. Okay, so after completing this 48 hours, again X will start, right? X will, what X will do? So X will fill 6 liter. So again 48 plus 1, that means in 49 hours, so X will fill plus 6, that means 118 liter is filled. Now now 2 more liter has to be filled. This 2 liter who will fill? Now Y turn. So Y can fill in 1 hour 4 liter, right? So for filling 2 liter, Y will be taking 1 by 2 hours. So total timing will be 49 1 by 2 hour, and which is nothing but option C is the correct answer. Okay, do not go with 51, you will not be getting this answer. Okay, so solve it carefully. Now friends, question number 3. So with what value should the highest quantity in data be replaced so that the mean and median become equal? So friends, for median, anyway we need to arrange them in the ascending order. So let us see. So first it will be 14 and then 18. Okay, so 14 and 18 we arranged, and then we have 26. Okay, that is also done. And then we have 32, then we have 35, then we have 38, and then we have 52, and then we have 65. Now friends, so I will ask you to use the calculator. Okay, so using the calculator we will calculate the mean and the median. Okay friends, when the online calculator is there, then why are you going to, okay, then why you are going to use pen and paper to solve this, right? Okay, so calculator I will minimize it so that I will be able to see the data, and even you will be also able to see the data here, right? Okay, so I am going to calculate the mean. So 14 plus, okay, 18 plus 26 plus 32 plus 35 plus 38 plus 52 plus 65 is equals to 280, right? 1 2 3 and 3 6 plus 2 8 and divided by 8. So I am getting 35 as my mean. Okay, so I am getting 35 as my mean. So I will check here. Okay, so yeah, so I am getting 30. Friends, the real calculation I do. Okay, so that same like what you will be doing in the exam, same thing I am doing here. Median. So friends, total number is nothing but 8. So we will be calculating the mean of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. So 3 this side and 3 this side. So there are 2 middle term. So 32 plus 35 divided by 2. So 5 to 7 and this. So 33.5 is nothing but my median. Now they are telling, so with what value should the highest quantity? That means we are going to replace this. Okay, in the data, so that the mean and median becomes equal. So friends, this if we'll replace by 53, and then if we'll calculate the mean, then you will be getting mean is equals to 33.5. So I will not waste much time here. So you can select option D. So when you will replace the highest quantity by 53, then you will be getting the mean is equals to 33.5. Your median will not change, because median has to do only with the middle values, right? So your median will be same, and your mean will also become same if we'll replace the highest quantity with 53. Then friends, question number 4 is a very easy and good question. So x plus 10 percentage. So x plus 10 percentage is 100 of 240 is equals to 60% more. So if anything more is there, friends, then add it to 100 and divide by 100. This I have told multiple times while making the videos. And then x percentage of 180. So x by 100 into 180. Now this 100 and 100 will get cancelled. So this is 240x plus 2400 is equals to 160 into x into 180 by 100. Okay, now cancel. 18 into 16. So 18 into 10 plus 6, you can use calculator, but it is simple. So 180 plus 108, so it will be 288. So 240x plus 2400 is equals to 288x. So if you subtract, 48x will be equal to 2400. So 24 2 times and 2 50 times. So the value of x is nothing but equal to 50. Now what they're asking, that we need to understand. Okay, so just a minute, let me get some space here. Yeah, then 15% of x plus 20. So 15% of, so 50 plus 20 will be nothing but 70 is what percentage less than 25 percentage of x is 50, right? Okay, so 15 divided by 100 into 70, and here 25 by 100 into 50, so this will become 12.5, and this done, so 105 by 10, 10.5. so if you'll see how much less it is, so it is just 2 less, right? So this is 2 less, and this is getting compared with 25% of x, which is nothing but 12.5 into 100, right? Okay, now if we'll remove this decimal, so after decimal 1 digit it will come here. 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 4s are 4 into 4 will be 16%. So option A will become the correct answer for the question number 4. Easy problem, but yes, some calculation was there. So if you are really not comfortable in doing calculation, then what you can do, use the calculator. Question number 5 is a question from the topic blood relation. Okay, now, so friends, in a certain code, m plus n means m is the son of n, m cross n means m is the brother of n. Okay, and then m division n means m is the husband of n, and m minus n is m is the sister of n. If this, then which of the following is true? So basically we need to draw the blood relation tree for that. So t minus p means t is the sister of p, so t will be the sister of p. Okay, so t gender is female because t is the sister of p. Then p plus q means p is the son of q, right? So p is a son, so gender of p will become male, and p is the son of q. Okay, that is also done. Then q cross r, or q multiplication r, whatever you read. So m multiplication n means m is the brother of n, so q will be the brother of r. The gender of q will become plus, because see, plus is for male and minus we are using it for female. That is done. Then r division s means r is the husband of s, so r will become the husband of s, so s will become female, right? Okay, now, so husband wife means double line we are using. Then p is the son of s. You can see p is not the son of s, p is son of s husband brother son, right? So p is not the son of s, so option A is wrong. Q is the aunt of t, so q is the aunt of t. No, q is the mother of t and p. Q is the mother of t and p. That is also wrong. S is the sister of q. S is not the sister of q, so S will become sister-in-law of q. That is also wrong. S is the aunt of t, so your father, right? So your father, right, and brother wife. So your father brother wife will be nothing but your aunt. So S will become, see, your father brother is your uncle, and your uncle wife will be aunt. So option D will be the correct answer for this blood relation question. So like that, friends, you need to solve the questions in the examination. So I hope you understood all the problems which we discussed. And friends, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, because we are going to analyze all the slots and we are going to solve all the questions in the examination. Thank you, friends.